Condos for lease, amazingly crafted, oversized, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fantastic views, elevator and parking, commercial condos available, residential commercial, Boston, Massachusetts, United States of America. See the link below or above for more information. You can also get more information at the end of this video. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.